great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 Ford Expedition Platinum Max. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Expedition. Driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 3 drivers, power folding side mirrors, power windows, the child lock button, door storage with 2 cup holders and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, power folding rear seats, the power liftgate button, some lighting controls and dials, the electric park brake and power adjustable foot pedals, WeatherTech all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, black leather interior, platinum badging in the seats, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and to the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead is a place to store your sunglasses, the power sunroof buttons, some lighting controls. Up next is our infotainment screen. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It also has our audio, Bluetooth controls. It's equipped with navigation. As you saw there, we have a heated steering wheel, and of course this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Above the infotainment screen, we have hill descent control, traction control, hazard lights, lane departure alert, auto stop start, and that camera button. The trailer backup dial, integrated trailer brake controller, hard buttons for the infotainment screen just below, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, USB ports and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Various drive modes, self-park and park assist. At the front of the Expedition, we have chrome tow hooks, fog lights, LED headlamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.5-liter V6 engine under the hood, power retractable running boards down below. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, keyless entry and keyless start, remote start, roof rack up top, and as we make our way to the back, the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob here. Push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space, especially with those third row seats folded down. WeatherTech all-weather cargo mat, cargo hooks, lighting in the back, a power plug-in, power folding rear seats, and of course a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, speakers, and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, heated second row seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, storage compartment down near the floor, all-weather floor mats on the floor. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull this seat release on the top of the seat. The third row has 3 additional seats. They're currently folded down, USB ports on either side along with cup holders. So come take a look at the 2021 Ford Expedition Platinum Max, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com. And to stay up to date on all things GMC, be sure to click the like and subscribe button.